19, 20, and 21 still has the parentheses, but on this one I'm going to end up with a number and a variable on both sides. But still the first step is always getting rid of those parentheses, so we're going to do that first. I have negative 5u minus 18 equals, on the other side, negative 2u, and then a negative times a negative gives me a positive 12. Now what you want to do when you have a variable and a number on both sides is you want your variables together on one side. Usually we'll move them to the left side. Your numbers together on the opposite side, usually the right side. It really doesn't matter, but for those who like to follow the same steps, I'm going to move my variable to the left, my number to the right. You can do those in the same step. So I'm going to add my 2u to move it over, and I'm going to add my 18 to move that over. So I have negative 5 plus 2, which is negative 3u. I have a 12 plus an 18, which is 30. So negative 3u equals 30. And then I can get rid of that coefficient by dividing. So dividing by negative 3, u equals negative 10 for my answer. So on number 20, using my distributive property, I'm going to get negative 3x. A negative times a positive is going to give me minus 21 equals my negative 9x plus 9. Got rid of my parentheses. Now, if I want to get my variables on my left and my numbers on my right, what should I do? Add the 9x to move that over here, and I want to move my number over, I'm going to add the 21. So minus 21, we're going to make it a plus 21 when we move it to the opposite side. So negative 3 plus 9 would be 6x. 9 plus 21, 30. 6x equals 30. If I'm going to solve that for x, I have to divide by 6. X is going to equal 5. 30 divided by 6. Hopefully all this is still review stuff and you already knew how to do it. And we got one last one there, but my page doesn't want me to scroll it since it's on the bottom of the page. So I'm going to rewrite it up here so you can see. Negative 9b minus 27 equals 3 times b plus 3. So we're still going to have negative 9b minus 27. On our right side, we're going to have 3b plus 9. I want to solve it for v. I've got variables and numbers on both sides, so I want to move my variables to the left, my numbers to the right. So I should subtract the 3v and add the 27. So then I'm going to get what? Negative 12v equals 36. And my last step, dividing by my negative 12. My answer then, v equals negative 3. So those will be the first things in chapter 1, but for today it's going to make you work on the review. If you finish the review, it's going to let you into chapter 1. If you don't finish the review, it's going to let you into chapter 1 tomorrow. But I prefer you finish the review first. So I'm going to leave it set how it is.